Saya sudah bagi tahu banyak kali. You lebih garang. Mau garang.
It's tiring to be tough, man.
Tiring? But that's what we do for a living, Tylo. You see, in this world, only the bad guys will win. And the winners will get all the fame and the money, you know. So that's why we must join the X Gang.
You want to kill people? Really?
Of course lah, kill the fat woman. Easy peasy lah.
But they know Kung Fu. You know where?
I also know Kung Fu ma. Have you ever heard about the Buddhist palm?
Hey, lencai. Oh, I can see ada aura in your body. Okay, your blood. Oh, ada chi flow in your blood. Okay, you know you nanti satu hari kan akan menyelamatkan ini dunia. You know? Angguk. Ya, you know kan? So, I ada sesuatu untuk you. You know this thing very special. This Kung Fu book. Ayo, the one and only in the world. Okay? So, I jual lah kat you. Okay lah? Harga asal RM15. Tapi itu campur SST jadi RM21.50. Okay ke? Okay. Setuju sajalah sebab ini memang barang baik lah. Okay? Boleh bayar kan? Boleh tak? Boleh bayar kan?
I'm on Intel. Mana the phone?
Aduh.
Cash balik. Oi, lepaskan dia.
Oh, we baik like you also want to learn Buddhist palm mantap Seram Berhad. Pintek for 27.
Gugu Surian ni.